Hi Cucumbers. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate an old piece of technology that's actually very useful for modern DIY bio. And that technology is a vintage analog voltmeter. This particular model I'm showing was made by Triplet, but there are other companies like Simpson that also made similar devices. Why is this such a useful tool for DIY bio? Well, in DIY bio, there are certain procedures like gel electrophoresis or electroporation that require voltage measurement. And in these applications, the analog voltmeter actually has a couple advantages over the cheap digital multimeters you can get for a few bucks online. First, an analog voltmeter does not require any battery power to operate. This means that you can run it for long periods of time without ever having to worry about a battery going bad. Theoretically, you could use it forever. That also lends it to more remote field operations. Second, the vintage analog voltmeter like the one shown here is capable of measuring up to 6,000 volts. That's way higher than most modern digital voltmeters can handle. Most digital voltmeters that you find only go up to 600 volts. That's fine for gel electrophoresis measurements, but it's too low for electroporation measurements. Typical voltages for electroporation would be around 1,500 volts. You can find some digital voltmeters that go higher, but they're harder to find. And even if you can find a digital version that goes up to 2,000 volts, like the red one here, they would probably cost at least as much as the vintage analog voltmeter. Third, and this is entirely my personal opinion, I think that the analog voltmeter just looks cool. I like the look and design of the thing. The way that the needle swings when you make a measurement is just so much more organic. Yes, it's a bit bulkier than modern multimeters, but in most cases, it's just sitting on a desk anyway, so the extra size doesn't really matter. And if you need to, it's still easy to move since it's really not that big or heavy. It just seems that way in comparison to the modern multimeters, and it's actually perfectly portable. So in conclusion, I think that the vintage analog voltmeter is a really useful tool for any DIY bio setup. It doesn't require a power source to operate, it has a larger range of measurement than digital voltmeters, and it has great aesthetics. Finally, if you found any of the information in this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thanks.